विसा उपरांत येवकार महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन शेनवारा पर्वरे मतदारसंघान 10वी आनी 12वीच्या परीक्षेक बरे गुण मेळयिल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचो भोवमान केलो. विद्यार्थ्यांक प्रशस्तीपत्र आनी मानचिन्ह भेटयले. RDX गो खातीर पर्वरेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
मनीस खंयच्या बॅकग्राउंडांतल्यान येता हें म्हत्वाचें नासता. मनीस कितें करून दाखयता आपल्या टायमार तें म्हत्वाचें आसता. And today when you go with life, success stories are not something which are inherited. Properties can be inherited. Commercial things can be inherited. But दोन इनहेरिटन्स जायना ते एक म्हणल्यार सरस्वती म्हणजे तूं शिक्षण तुजें कोण काय करूंक शकना. शिकपाची कापाजदाद कितली आसा तुमकां गुण आसा म्हणून तुमी आज हांव सगळीं बशिल्लीं आसा. आनी कितें करून दाखोवपाचें एक समज आसलें भुरग्याक जाल्यार दॅट सक्सेस स्टोरी इज मेड, इज क्रिएटेड एंड नॉट इनहेरिटेड. Every year we have this program of felicitating students. And felicitation is one is to motivate the child to achieve bigger heights, to go to the next level. And it's also occasion for us to congratulate the parents कित्याक exam आयली की मजा करावं पळयता. My daughter is in the 4th standard, my son is in the 7th standard. म्हजी बायल goes to the exercise of the 4th standard again and the 7th standard again. म्हजें मातशें कमी आसता पूण she takes up. So it's as good as the parent going through our education system again to ensure that a child succeeds somewhere. And it is not that we want somebody to be first or toppers in life. We want our children to be successful in life. And their success story comes with hard work. आज IT मिनिस्टरच्या नात्यान नाल्यार आज सरकार आसा म्हणून we can see a lot of opportunities what education system is in Goa. We can say that the education system in Goa is one of the best systems.
Value education. All the students, parents who are there here, we want our wards to be successful in academic, successful in life, and whatever children does. We want the person to excel. But in the bargain, when we do all this, there is a small gap which unknowingly remains. That is value education. If you go back to your school days, especially parents, if you go back to your school days and try to recollect, we were taught in our school days to walk on footpath. Simple thing. Though footpaths were not so much common, but we were told to walk on footpath. Not to tease stray animals, to respect elders. Some things were taught by our teachers, some things were taught in the books. That is value education, which is, for some reason, it is lacking in today's system, education system. It is not the responsibility of the government to do it. It is the responsibility of the parents, teachers, to get this value education in the system so that we have better citizens, aware citizens and responsible persons.